Hi there. Welcome to my family. Meet my daddy. His name is Steady. He is so kind.
Hi, I'm Steady.
And this is my mommy Fluffy. She is so sweet.
Hi, I'm Fluffy.
Look, my brothers are here. Flash and Zoomie.
Hi, I'm Zoomie.
Hi, I'm Flash.
And yes, I don't have a sister yet, but maybe someday. I'm Lazy. We are so happy to meet you.